This is going to be a massive warning to all of the Bitcoin bears, because we have just gotten all of our breakouts, but that is not all, because a way bigger move is about to come. The Bitcoin volatility is still sitting at all-time lows, and Bitcoin is trying to be breaking out outside of this bull flag pattern, while at the same time, all of the metrics and all of the indicators are still looking extremely bullish, so we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's start off with that short term. And yes, yesterday we have been having a look. It was this bearish divergence being developed, and this bearish divergence has been playing out. After creating this bearish divergence, we did see a little bit of a relief for Bitcoin. On top of that, what is going to be very important to keep in mind is that we are going to be headed into another weekend. Today it is a Friday, but tomorrow, of course, we are going to be entering a weekend. So the CME chart will be closing, and that will mean that volatility is going to be lowered, and most likely we are just going to be seeing some boring consolidation. That's why I do think that we could be creating some kind of a symmetrical triangle right now in the short term. At least, I do not think that we are going to be creating any kind of a significant move anymore until next week. Now, if we were to be seeing any kind of a significant move, we would be getting it today, in my opinion, and I do not think that during the course of this weekend, we are going to be creating any kind of a significant move. But definitely, do be prepared, because a way bigger move is indeed about to come. Yes, yesterday we have been seeing a little bit of a pump towards the upside. This was because of the breakout, and we do still have our price targets sitting above us at about that 73k level, but honestly, this little pump that we have been seeing is just still nothing compared with what we are about to see, because the Bitcoin volatility is still literally sitting at all-time lows. If we are going to be having a look in towards our Bollinger Bands indicator and then in towards our Bollinger Bands width, well, it is still sitting at all-time lows, indicating that yes, indeed, volatility is also sitting at all-time lows. We are getting squeezed in at each and every single time. Whenever this happens, well, a huge move is on the horizon, and right now the same exact thing is happening. So a way bigger move is about to be expected. And right now, Bitcoin is just beautifully consolidating inside of this bull flag pattern, which Bitcoin is currently actually trying to be breaking above. We are testing our resistance right now, and I think that if we are going to be seeing this breakout, well, that is going to be indicating that next huge move towards the upside. So this is going to be very important to be paying attention in towards. I think that this is going to be suggesting that next leg towards the upside. So this little breakout that we have been getting over here is definitely going to be very important and has been that catalyst for that next move towards the upside. Because of this breakout, we might be potentially breaking out outside of this bull flag pattern, but really right now these breakouts are not really going to be that important anymore. What is going to be most important is going to be this bull flag pattern. Whenever we are going to be breaking out of this one, well, that is when the real fireworks are going to be started, and that is when the real move is going to be getting initiated. Now, anyways, I do think that this breakout is going to be inevitable anytime soon, because if we are going to be having a look into what's our Bitcoin liquidity, well, majority is sitting at the top side, and we are just getting very close towards grabbing a lot of liquidity. Literally, majority of the liquidity is being developed right now at that 67.4k level, which is going to be very close towards the current Bitcoin price. So it is going to be just very likely that we are going to be grabbing that liquidity on that top side. Now, if we are going to be grabbing that liquidity, we are going to be having even more liquidity sitting at the 73.8k level, which is going to be about that target of these bullish breakouts. But what is going to be more important is that at that moment, whenever that liquidity is going to be getting grabbed, well, we are going to be inevitably seeing this bull flag pattern breakout. So yeah, very interesting. And we do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards the place where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Now, on top of that, the Bitcoin funding rates are still pretty low, and usually whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are low, that is indicating a lot of bullishness. And what we can be seeing for Bitcoin right now is a very bullish consolidation. While the Bitcoin traders are actually trying to be shorting the Bitcoin price, they are trying to be shorting this Bitcoin pump. Okay, the retail Bitcoin traders are becoming bearish during a bullish consolidation, which in my opinion is looking very good. And I think because of this, we are going to be very likely to be breaking out bullish. Now, yes, we have been beautifully getting our bounce from this level of support, flipping our downtrend in towards an uptrend. Right now, we have been flipping this downtrend over here in towards an uptrend. We have confirmed a higher low and also a higher high over here. Now, we've also been beautifully retesting this previous level of resistance right now as support over here, which is also looking pretty bullish for that short term. And for the longer term time frames, definitely I do expect that we are going to be seeing our next move towards the upside getting initiated anytime soon, because we have just seen this shakeout before the real breakout. Each and every single time whenever we do initiate that next leg towards the upside, we first of all do tend to see a little bit of a shakeout, and then that next move towards the upside is going to be getting initiated. Right now, that exactly happened once again. On top of that, also Bitcoin history is exactly repeating from January 2021. Now, on top of that, I also do think that the Bitcoin bottom is already in over here. We have seen this standard correction that we have been seeing this cycle, and the short-term Bitcoin holders have capitulated at the bottom. So yes, in general, it is just looking extremely bullish for Bitcoin over here. I should definitely not be bearish right now, and that is why I'm saying this is going to be a huge Bitcoin warning for all of the Bitcoin bears. Now, anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, and I can already tell you, right now is going to be the time to be doing so, and right now is going to be the time to be preparing yourself. Well, guys, make sure to check out that link down below, because you can right now be claiming a $5 on your initial sign up, literally for free. On top of that, whenever you open your first futures trade, you are going to be getting another $100. So make sure to check it out. Literally a free $105. And the best thing is, on CoinW, there's no KYC required. So from anywhere around the world, you can be trading over on CoinW. On top of that, you are going to be eligible for a $30,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check out that link down below and claim your bonuses right now over on CoinW. Now, anyways, yes, whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above this red box of resistance, well, then that next parabolic move towards the upside is going to be starting to be getting initiated. Right now, Bitcoin is still trading inside of a parabolic uptrend. Do keep that in mind. So that next move towards the upside is going to be getting even more exponential. To be honest, I think that something like this is going to be next for Bitcoin. Anyways, with that being said, definitely do not get fooled right now on the Bitcoin price action. And if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.